What's good, YouTube? It's your boy IGB. Family know we back again with another banger video. In today's video, as you can see by the title, we are doing sneezing on people prank part 1. Please make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Run it up for your boy. Please share. Road to 800 subs, y'all. You feel me? Share with your family, your mama, your brothers, your sisters, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your child, whoever it is. Share. Make sure they subscribe. We are posting daily or every other day, so please tune in. Thank on people. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Right here. It's tired. Damn. What do you do? God. I'm dead. This man, bugging out. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Bro, that's how you have to do it. You have to get so close.
You're gonna get loud. Oh my God. Stop somebody's heart.
What?
Hello.
Stop their heart. They dying and some shit.
We about to get everybody in here.
Hey, you guys gotta go.
What happened?
We had another guest complaint. We already had somebody warn you guys.
What are you talking about? What guest complaint?
We just had a guest complaint. Y'all gotta go.
We're not even doing nothing.
I literally just seen y'all on camera. You guys gotta go.
What were we doing on camera?
You guys were just messing with the guest. You guys just walked up to a guy. So I'm trying to tell you.
No, we wasn't.
Bro, I'm gonna have to call the police. Like, I'm not trying to do this right now. You guys gotta go.
I'm shopping.
I'm already doing something on.
I'm trying to shop. Can I shop?
You guys gotta go. We already gave you guys a warning. I'm telling you, you gotta go.
But he didn't give us a warning. He just said.
He literally just told you can't mess with guests. I'm telling you.
We wasn't messing with guests.
All right.
Let's see. She gave me that eye contact. Man, I'm tired. How you doing today? She got so scared, bro. I know she's tripping. I know she's tight. I know she's tight. She looking at me like that. Why she looking at me like that? About to get this lady right here. Victim number, I don't know, but we about to get her ass. We about to get her ass. I'm sorry, I'm a little sick today. I'm sorry. I didn't know if I She gets so bad, bro. Right here, you feel me? Right here. How you doing today, boss man? You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Can I walk by?
I'm sorry.
Nah, you good. Don't worry about it. Oh, shoot, my bad.
Why are you sneezing on that lady?
What?
Why are you sneezing on that lady? Why are you like bugging the lady?
What are you talking about? I had to sneeze. I just had to
You
sneeze.
sneezed on her.
I did not sneeze
Like
on her.
twice.
Did I?
Yeah, you did.
You should mind your business. I think you should mind your business.
I think that you shouldn't be like rude and like sneeze on people. That's rude. That's.
Would you like me to sneeze on you?
No.
I think you should step away from me because I'm about to sneeze. I'm so
I
serious.
think you should step away from me.
You're the one that came up to me. I was just casually walking down here.
Sneezing on some lady, some like poor little old lady.
Now you're holding up the line. Can you please move? What the fuck is wrong with this lady, bro? What does he look like? Hi. What's up? Yeah. Alright, yo, we about to get up black folk pants or something. How y'all doing today?
Alright. Good?
Yeah. God damn, bro, I'm sick today. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Nigga been sick for too long, bro. Too long, bro.
We ain't gonna harm my black folks. I swear, it's just water.
It's just water. Nah, listen, it's just it's just a fake, my brother.
All right.
I know you was ready. that boy was ready to pop my ass. Shit. Hey. Damn, that nigga was ready to 1-2 my ass, bro.
A little bit of ass spray. That's it.
We didn't say the ass spray, though.
A little bit of ass spray.
A little ass spray. Cassie?
What?
I don't know. What were you looking at?
I was looking at this right here.
Oh,
My
I thought you were looking at some ass, really.
Yeah,
I really thought he was looking at some ass. I ain't even gonna lie to you.
Alright, guys, we'll have to close this down.
Why? Woo! Why she get so scared, bro? Damn. Yeah, why she get so scared? Beep beep. Where the kickbacks at? What happened? Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. You feel me? We're running up the best content out here. Look at these nice ass doors, bro. The fuck? We got a victim right here, y'all. We got a victim right here, y'all. We got a victim right here, y'all. We got a victim. What? What's good, y'all? If y'all made it to the end of the video, please make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Bring it up for your boy. I will see y'all in the next video. I will be staying consistent, posting daily or every other day, y'all. So please turn on that notification bell to know when I drop bangers after bangers. Stop playing with me. And if y'all want to see my merch, make sure y'all go tune in the gram. Follow me there at @the_official_IGB fan.